Welcome everybody. Today I want to talk with you about losing weight. And this will not involve doing exercises or doing any special diets. So if you are interested, stay on. Let me give you a quick context why I would like to speak about this. Right now we are in this pandemic, COVID-19, and I notice a lot of people, including my family members, including myself, everyone picked up few extra pounds. And it is highly related to this that we have to stay at home in order to do not get infected by the virus. And of course, if we stay home, we eat more. And if we eat more and we have less activities, we picked up more weight. And I see this in all groups of people, starting from my children, which are one is 8, another is 13. And I see this also with my coworkers in their 20s, 30s. And I see this also, like I said, with myself being 46. I picked up a few extra pounds. I see this also with my mom. She's 76. So all groups, all ages, everyone picked up few extra pounds because of this extraordinary situation which we are living right now. And at the same time, I notice in my neighborhood, when I go to walk my dog in the morning, suddenly there's more people running. And these people who I see in the morning, I would call them Sunday runners, which I have never seen them before. I live in the same neighborhood for, I would say 16 years. And I pretty much remember the faces of people who are running year after year, but those people are new runners, and many times they are slightly overweight, and I see them running. So why I'm telling you this? Because those people assume that by exercising more they will basically lose the weight, which is completely wrong. By exercising more, you're gonna be more hungry and you're gonna eat more, and you end up with more weight. And then we are now slowly coming back to work. You will stop exercising and then you will keep the same habits, eating habits. So it's basically the dead end. What I would like to tell you and what I would like to recommend to you is something completely, maybe not completely different, but something very simple and like I said on the beginning, something which does not require you to go outside and start running, or does not require you to go to the gym and force yourself to do things which you are not doing on a regular basis in your life. Of course, don't take me wrong, exercising is great. Personally, I really love exercising, and there's so many benefits of exercising, which I will talk in another video. But right now, just let's say that this what I would like to tell you does not involve exercising. So what is it, what can you do to lose some weight without doing exercises? So the most simple thing, not easy but simple, is to change your diet. To change your diet, especially if you are 46, 45, 46 and over. This is very important because your metabolism slows down and this what you ate 10 or 20 years ago, it's going to affect you differently when you are 45, 46 and so on. So what I would like to recommend you in order to lose weight is keep your diet like you had so far. Just your last meal, cut on half. And this will cause that in the evening or afternoon you will start feeling not comfortable. You will start feeling a little bit hungry. Make sure you feel like this, go to bed and repeat this. Repeat this day after day after day. Then you will see on your scale, slowly, very slowly, gradually, your weight will go down. It's simple, but it's not easy. It will require you to go into a zone where you don't feel comfortable. And I will tell you frankly, most of the people will fail. But if you are strong enough, you can do it. You can do it. Just start feeling uncomfortable, get used to this in the evening by cutting half of your last meal. This will cause that your body will start burning fat. If you do this on consistent basis for a couple weeks, you will see slowly your body weight will decrease. And it's a great beginning because later you can change your diet, you can drop processed food and replace this with whole foods. But right now, don't change anything in your diet. If you're eating processed food, keep eating. Just chop last meal. Go into the zone where you don't feel comfortable. Go to sleep a little bit hungry. Next day, wake up, eat the same diet which you ate so far, and in the afternoon, evening, repeat this, and then you will see great results. I guarantee you. If you keep this for a month or 2 months, you will start slowly losing the weight. How much you will lose? It all depends. It all depends how much extra pounds you have. It all depends how is your metabolism, and it also all depends if you are really self-disciplined and you will keep this consistently, because you might do this for 10-20 days and then a couple days you will fail, and then your weight, your body will naturally try to increase your body weight. So, and no one is perfect. Of course it will happen that you will fail, but in order to be on the track, what can help you greatly is to keep a journal. How I do this: I have my journal, my black book. I write down every day which I succeed. I write down, hey, Monday I felt uncomfortable, a little bit hungry. I overcome my weakness. I did it. So this day I write down that was mission complete. I succeed. Okay, and this will help you. This will help you to write down because writing down will kind of carve this what you're writing in your mind. That's how it worked for me, so it might work for you too. So this is a quick, simple way how you can start losing weight, but like I said, it's not easy. It requires self-discipline, and I hope this will be helpful for you. If this was helpful, please comment in the section below and let me know what do you think about this. And I wish you all the best in losing these few extra pounds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and never give up and always fight for your happiness.